how we can download and install Android Studio. First of all, we need to go to our browser and type the Android Studio to download it. You will see the Android Studio page. Just go to its official page and you can download its latest version. For now, its latest version is Electric Eel. You can download it. Just read all the terms and conditions and you can accept it at the end, and you can download Electric Eel. Okay, now it might take some time to download. Till then, it depends on your internet connection, and here I can see a user badge, but I don't think I need that, so I just cancel it. And you can forward the video and see when it's downloaded. Okay, so for now it is being downloaded. That is Android Studio Electric Eel version. So if you have any problems in downloading, you just need to restart your computer and you can download it now. You can download it then. Okay, and that's all. When we download it, and we have to understand two basic things that are Android Studio, first of all, is made by Google, and second thing, it can be used on PC as well without your cell phone. Okay, so Android Studio have a feature to develop mobile apps using Java and Kotlin languages. It depends on which language you're comfortable with. All the people maximum prefer Kotlin, but I would prefer Java in it because I have learned Java soon and I have very little knowledge of Kotlin, so I will be using here Java. Okay, now next, our file is almost downloaded and you can see over here it's almost done. Just a little something is left. So it's downloaded, and let's go to the downloads folder, and here we will double click on it, and when we double click on it you will get to know a warning badge of click on yes or click on no. I prefer you click on yes. That will help you install Android Studio, else it won't help you install Android Studio. It started very fine. Okay, and now let's go for it. So it might take some time, and let's see. You can get next and click on the user settings and then click next and keep it default. Click next, and it will be downloaded very soon. You don't need to worry about it. It might take some time. It depends on your internet speed, how much fast internet do you have. It depends on that. Okay, so for till then, wait. Okay, till then it's not downloaded. And the installed is completed, and we will start the Android Studio right now, and we will see what does it do. So we will just open Android Studio. We have opened it, and we will just close all the other programs. We will not import any kind of settings because we cannot configure settings. We didn't have installed Android before this, so we just do not import settings. For this, remember one thing, for Android Studio, if you are using Java, you need JDK installed on your computer. You can check the video in my YouTube channel, you will get that. Okay, so now next we will press next, and we will use standard installation. We don't custom, and it's depend on you which mode you choose, either dark mode or light mode. I will choose the dark mode because it's better for eyes. And you can see you have to download these much things before verifying the settings. You can read all the agreements, terms and conditions, and then click on agree or accept, and you can just finish it. It will finish the downloading, and after that you can start your Android Studio. So just wait for it to download. So click on let's see the details which files are being downloaded. So it's taking so much time. It depends on the internet speed as well. It is a bit slow. Okay, so let's see it. How much time will it take to download as a whole. I haven't forwarded any kind of videos. You can see how much time it will take totally. It will take around your 13 to 14 minutes to download and open our first program. So we have downloaded it. Now just will finish it and we'll open our first project, or you can use create new project and we will choose empty activity. Maximum time it is chosen because it helps in creating new activities. And I will just name the program as hello, and in package I will rename the example and I will put it as hello, and I will choose the language as Java and SDK version as Marshmallow, because Marshmallow can run on 97%. I will not check the legacy options because it will protect me from using Play Store services. So now again it will download something. Remember, before using Android Studio for first time, you must have an active internet connection, else you cannot use Android Studio for first time. Second time you can use without internet because all the files would be downloaded. So you can use. Till then wait and see how much time will it take to download. So now it's downloaded, and we'll just allow all the access which is required, and it will take some time. As you can see in the right below that it is downloading some files and some indexing is happening over here. Just let it happen and it will take around 5 to 6 minutes for all this indexing and all this process. So as you can see, we have downloaded and now it's initializing its XML command or XML files. You can see the design over here. I have forwarded some points in previous clip. Let's see for downloading, and here is our first program of Hello World, which is in Android Studio. You can see it over here, and that's all for. Thank you. Please like.